Hi everyone, I am Christina Cassandra Morota, and today I will be teaching and exploring Seesaw for teachers. So Seesaw is a digital learning platform that allows educators to create interactive lessons and to manage the student work and to provide feedback in a fun and engaging way. So in this video, I will walk you through the basic features of Seesaw and how teachers can effectively use it in a virtual classroom setting. What you need to do is to search Seesaw on your tab, and once you see the seesaw.com, you need to click it, and this is what you can see. So you need to choose between three. If you're a teacher, if you're a student, or if you're a family member. So for the first one, we just need to use the I'm a teacher. So you can connect it with your Google account. And then, tada! And you will see all of this. So we have the home page. This is where all your classes are being displayed. We also have the journal in where student submission appear. We also have the activities tab where you can browse or you can create the task. You can also have this message icon in which where you can communicate with the parents or your students itself. So what we need to do now is we want to create an activity. So if you want to create activity, you can use the AI or the generate activity. So but for now, we'll just need to click this add button and then create activity. After clicking the activity, you can name your activity. So for example, we have the grammar. So you can upload a file or a link. So you can choose between the 6 for your portfolio. We have the video response, voice reflection, student choice, screen record, text reflection, and of course, the note. So for your assessment, if you're going to choose between these 4, we have the drag and drop, the fill in the blank, the poll, and then we have the multiple choice. So for your instruction, so teachers can use this to create instruction for your students to easily comprehend the activity that you're going to do. So you can also add the voice record. So we also have the teacher's note and then the activity language. You can select different kinds of language for your activity. So we're going to choose the English language, and then you need to create or you need to choose the save activity after filling out all of this form. So need to save, and then your activity will reflect on my library option. Let's now go back to the home page, and then if you want to create your classes, you need to click this plus button, and then you need to name your classes. Oh, let's say that your classes is a 7th grade. So you can name them Heaven. So we have the grade 7 Heaven section, and then just click the check button. So that's how you can create your section. So now let's go back to the activity that we've done a while ago, and then we need to assign this to our class. So let's say that this grammar, let's assign this to Heaven only. So next, and then you can click your start date and then the due date. So let's now assign this, and then we need to go to the class, and then that's how you create an activity for your students. So if you want to view the responses, you can click this button. So let's go back to the home page. So if you want to choose different kind of activities, you can explore the libraries, and then you can choose between this kind of activities that they offered. Go back to the home page and let's click this post to journal. So you can actually post to your classes. So let's now choose again the haven't section, and then the teacher can choose between the 6. So the photo, the drawing, the video, the upload, the note, and the link. So I think that's the end of my presentation, and that's how we create the activity in the Seesaw platform. So to conclude, this Seesaw is actually one of the powerful platform that enhances the teaching and the learning through digital interaction. So by exploring its features, you as a teacher can create the meaningful and engaging and learning experiences even though you are in the virtual setting. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope that this exploration help you to understand how Seesaw can be used effectively in teaching. Bye-bye!